Hello everyone, this is Zaida Gholami from Software Research Lab, and in today's video I'm going to explain what is SPSS. So this is the SPSS software. It stands for Statistical Package for the Social Sciences. In terms of popularity, SPSS is counted as the most popular software for statistical analysis in researches and studies. It is also so much popular in jobs and in also researches. As I said before, it still is counted as a very good and comfortable software for doing the statistical analysis. It's so user-friendly. You can do all the works by just some clicking and stuff. So you can see this software view. You could see it's so much like Excel worksheet. You can see there's a data view in orange color, which it means it's now turned on, and you can see another tab named variable view, and I'm in variable view right now. Before we get into what are these data view in variable view, how can we input the numbers and how could we work with it, let's get into the website of the SPSS to explore it a little bit and see how can we download the SPSS, what are the plans, what are the costs and versions, and then we get back to here. So you can see I have searched IBM SPSS. You can see the first website is IBM.com. I click on that, and then you can see the first, call to action that you can see is try SPSS statistics. So this is the trial version of SPSS. If you click on that, you will be imported to another page which is a form. Okay, you should fill the form, and then when you have created an account, you will get a trial version of SPSS software. You can see the details. It is 3 days trial period and contains all features including add-ons and internet connectivity and etc. So now I log in to my account. So you can see the subscription trial, which is expired in my in this dashboard. For this dashboard, I go to view catalog. So you can see these all different versions of the software, which is first one is SPSS statistics. I want to see the prices. Okay, it's in here. The most popular plan is highlighted in here. The subscription is €95, and then you can see all the other plans. You can see in details what are the details of each subscription version and etc. So let's get back to the software itself. You can see it has a data view, and then it has the variable view. In data view, you can just try to input your data, okay? But you can see as soon as you enter any data, it goes for variable 1, variable 2, etc. If you go to variable view, you can see there are rows created as each cell you were to fill. Okay, in variable view, you can see there are some cells filled in automatically. So you can see the name of variable, the type of variable, the width, the decimals, label, values, missing columns, etc. In summary, I can say that I can explain this as you should define your variables. You should name them. Let's say, for example, the height, and let's say the weight, and etc. And then you define the type and all these other details. And then when you go to data view, you can see each variable in each column, and then you can start to fill the cells. Okay, so that's how it works. And then let's say this is the weight. Okay, so that was just an introduction. That was just what is SPSS, how is it working. And so that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next videos, and bye.